Looking for a way to make beautiful home decor and support a great cause? With each purchase of this beautiful transfer, we donate $2 US straight to Watts of Love to help with the amazing cause of bringing light to those in need. We have created a beautiful Aiden framed chalkboard to remind you to give back and have a generous mindset. I've gathered all my supplies to make this quick and easy project, including my Watts of Love longer table transfer, a 9x12 Aiden gallery chalkboard, 2 Chalkology pastes, and all the tools I need. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my transfer by removing the backer and pressing it down on our fuzzing cloth. This picks up some lint from the fuzzing cloth and gentles the adhesive on the new transfer. Now I'm lining this up on my chalkboard, which is a perfect fit, and smoothing it out so there are no bubbles. Now for the fun part. I'm taking a small squeegee and loading it up with our bright white Chalkology paste. I'm spreading this on, covering all of the screen in a thin coat except for build a longer table. I'll be doing that part next. Because I really want it to pop, I'm going to use our lovely seasonal On Vogue paste in the color Shimmer Melon to finish off this design. Once that's covered, I'm ready to peel. Peeling gently from the top, I'm removing my transfer to reveal the design. Perfection! Have you ever seen DIY be this easy? You can make beautiful home decor in minutes with Chalk Couture, and with this transfer you can lengthen your table by lighting the world with lots of love. Happy chalking!